Hello and welcome to my course. My name is Marius and I'm going to teach you how to do a muscle up in less than 10 weeks, which is the equivalent of 63 days. How to muscle up the 3-way step. So in this episode we will be looking at the 3 steps you will need to complete to do the muscle up. The past week you've been training your strength and your technique, and now it's finally time to prove what you're capable of. So in this first clip I put down what I call a magic button, and I'll put this just about 30 centimeters in front of the bar, which is around 12 inches. Now, how do I determine the range from where I put this magic button? Well, it's all about swinging from the barbell. Once you get to the end of the swing, you'll try to put your feet down. At the very edge of this swing, where you can barely touch the ground or the magic button, this is where you put it. Literally just out of your reach. Okay, now you've put the button down. Place yourself around 2 steps behind the bar. The reason behind this is that when you jump, you'll get this organic swing, so to speak. Your body will start swinging in a momentum by itself. You can see that as I swing, I'll push my chest and my shoulders forward as I'm stepping into the movement. As you see in the video, I step in the motion with one foot trying to reach the magic button. Once I'm at the end of my swing, I'll try to step down and follow with my other leg. This will result in your body being loaded like a spring. Alright, step 2. In step 1, we learned how to load your body like a spring. Now we're going to use this energy. So first off, I'm stepping into the movement, following with the other leg. And just as I'm about to swing back from this, I'll pull with my arms and pull my knees to my chest. You should feel your shoulders tighten and your chest tighten as well. This will result in me being swung way above the bar and being able to do step 3. Remember, as you're pulling your knees to your chest, make sure to turn your wrist as well. This will result in you getting over the bar, and it's very important for you to get over the bar. So in this last clip, we'll put everything together to be able to do the muscle up. Touch the magic button, follow through with the other leg, pull back, and as you get just about to the end of the movement, and you can see that your chest is just about over the bar, lean onto the bar and do the straight bar dips that we've been doing for so long now. Make sure your timing is right. The muscle up is all about timing. So if you're unable to do it in the first try here, get a spotter, film yourself so that you know that you're doing everything correct and on the right time. Congratulations on doing your first muscle up. Good luck out there. So I've created a 9-week program which will help you gather the strength. We'll also be having some technique lectures where we will focus on the technique behind the muscle up. I've built the course in kind of pyramid so that you start out easy with not so many exercises. As we go on, week for week, we will gather on more and more exercises and incorporate the new exercises in the weekly plans, which will scale up to you doing the muscle up. Okay, the place where I differentiate myself from other guys teaching the muscle up is that I will give you the complete program. It doesn't really matter if you're beginner, intermediate, this will teach you how to do the muscle up. Though it depends on your learning curve, how consistent you are, and if you get your training in. I'll make it so that every week you'll go on to Udemy, you'll watch a small video of me doing some exercises. These are your go-to exercises for this week. Attached every week under resources is a downloadable work plan, which will show you every week what you will be doing 3 times a week for around 60 minutes per session. Simple and easy.